In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw Lazada wallet to Gcash. If you've been trying to move money straight from your Lazada wallet to your Gcash, here's the key thing to know right away. Lazada does not support direct transfers to e-wallets like Gcash. The Lazada wallet is mainly designed for refunds and for paying within the Lazada platform, so you won't find a built-in option to send funds directly to Gcash. Go ahead and open the Lazada app and head to your wallet to review your available balance. What you can do if it's available on your account is withdraw from your Lazada wallet to a bank account. This is the only official withdrawal route supported by Lazada at the moment. Availability can vary, so if you don't see a withdraw to bank option, it simply isn't enabled for your account. If you do see it, follow the on-screen instructions to select or add a bank account and request a withdrawal. Processing times may differ depending on the bank and any verification requirements, so give it a little time to reflect. Once the money lands in your bank account, that's when you can move it to Gcash. Open your Gcash app and use its bank transfer feature to pull the funds from your bank into your Gcash wallet. Most major Philippine banks are supported, and transfers can be near instant depending on the network used. Double-check fees and cut-off times in your Gcash app so you know what to expect before you transfer. It's really important to be cautious about any tutorials or posts that claim there's a direct Lazada to Gcash withdrawal method. Those methods are not official and may not work, could lead to failed transactions or even put your account at risk. Always stick to the supported path. Lazada wallet to bank, then bank to Gcash. To recap the flow clearly, open Lazada and check your wallet, use the withdraw to bank option if it's available on your account, wait for the funds to arrive in your bank, and then open Gcash to transfer the money from your bank into your Gcash wallet. That's the legitimate and reliable way to get your Lazada wallet funds into Gcash. If policies change in the future, Lazada or Gcash will announce it through their official channels, so it's a good idea to keep your apps updated and check their help centers for the latest information. For now, follow this process and you'll be able to move your money safely and correctly.